If you're looking for something new or novel for your supplier or enterprise development programs, then may I introduce to you the one-page futures plan for small business. Futures thinking, or strategic foresight, is a professional skill set of tools and models that allow multinationals, governments, the largest military organizations in the world to prepare them for the future, to avoid potential disasters, and to identify new opportunities. Those skill sets should be available to small businesses as well. In conjunction with a client of mine, we developed the one-page futures plan for small business. It is designed to support your own coaches or your own work in terms of your supplier or enterprise development programs. It provides a foundation for that, points to the future and is motivational, and reinforces everything that a person needs in order to make their business grow and to understand what they are working towards. I'm Charlotte Kemp, international keynote speaker and workshop leader. I am a professional member of the Association of Professional Futurists and president-elect of the Global Speakers Federation. But I've also been a small business owner. I've also lost a small business to the mistakes that I made because I did not have the insight and the scale of what I needed to understand in terms of my business. Those lessons that I learned in losing my business, along with everything that I've learned about futures thinking, I bring together in this one-page plan to really reinforce, encourage, inspire, and keep people on the track of developing their small business towards success. I would love to discuss this more with you and see how the one-page futures plan can support the work that you're doing for your supplier and enterprise development programs.